Hi guys, it's Claudia, welcome back to my channel. I did get quite a bit of stares yesterday at the Apple store. I don't think they expected anyone to look like me to collect an Apple Watch Ultra, but here we are. There's only a silver titanium color available. There's no other colors. This is the 49mm one. That's also only one size and it's the biggest one of them all. The first redesign we've seen in like years. I got mine with the Midnight Ocean Band. The packaging looks pretty plain here. Let me just open up the first layer. Whoa. As you can see, it's a completely new design. It's so adventurous. It's a wave. We do get a leaflet with all the watch bands, Alpine, Ocean and Trail. All of the information about the action button. Lovely stuff. Wow. Ocean band in Midnight, and as you can see here, it's one size only for the Ocean band. Okay, looks pretty cool. I like the titanium color as well. I'm guessing this is like to secure the band later on. It looks pretty cool. There's like holes in the middle. It makes it easier in the water. It's pretty stretchy, nice touch. It just feels similar to the normal Apple Watch bands. Let's just get into the Apple Watch Ultra. Wow, cool packaging, designed by Apple in California, and we do get coordinates. I'm guessing that's for the Apple Park, where the Apple Park is based, so that's pretty cool. You can enter those coordinates. The charger, which has a completely different design. So cool. It has like a sort of material wire. Are you guys prepared to see the watch on my wrist? There we go. The sensor looks huge. Oh my gosh. This is so bulky. It looks like a mini computer. The Ultra Watch has a flat display. This is 49mm, which is 4mm bigger than the Series 8. The speakers look absolutely huge. And of course we got the digital crown. It feels so smooth to twist, like, and surprisingly I can't feel the dips. I do like the Ocean band because I am more used to the rubber feel. The watch band feels very lightweight. The most fitting would be the one hole before the end. So if you got a wrist size that's smaller than mine, you can even still be on the last hole. And to secure it, that's another story. So it's just making it secure. So what I did was, I used the bottom band hole and then I pulled it through. That makes it come out on the other end of the top, and then I looped it through and clicked it on. So that makes any sense whatsoever. I am quite lightweight myself, and to have this watch I can definitely feel a difference. So there's definitely something to get used to. Starting with digital crown, this is meant to be more bulkier to basically be able to use it with gloves. Oh wow, okay. This pretty much works. I can use all the buttons easily. Now let's turn it on. So I believe I just hold the power button. Okay, while the Apple Watch is syncing, let's open up the Alpine Loop. This is the Alpine Loop in Starlight in size small. Oh, this is completely different. Whoa, it's stretchy. Can you see like the bumps? They do have like the similar make with the material going underneath and having the loops. Oh wow, so this is with like a hook. So it comes in one part. So this watch face has literally everything that you need. And in night mode, that turns it red for better visibility. Now let's take it outside and let's see it in the daylight and what it can do. But surprisingly, it doesn't look that big on my wrist. I don't know, it looks still big, but it's not as like a ginormous machine as I would have thought. The bigger display is definitely easier to use and you will definitely not tap anything else by mistake. So the display brightness is 2000 nits. It's easy to see in sunlight. To compare, I do have Series 6 and 8 with me and you can see how much of a difference that is. And just recently the iPhone 14 Pro just introduced this peak brightness outdoors, so this is really extraordinary, and it would also make a great flashlight from the brightness of the watch. The action button is easily noticeable on the side. I did find it awkward though to press the action button sometimes. I kept getting confused with the power button, but I am sure this is something I will get used to. Also, it can activate workouts, mark segments, set compass waypoints. The watch has improved GPS. It's very good for the compass app. You can track the exact walking path in the backtrack feature in case visibility is difficult. So I did have to leave in a bit of a rush and I didn't have time to update to OS 9 before I left. That was a big mistake because I didn't realize I couldn't use the compass feature. I would just have to leave the backtracking feature for the review, so make sure you are subscribed if you want to find out if I was successful next time. There's 3 built-in microphones to improve sound quality, especially for SOS or loud sirens for emergency. There is also a depth app, but I won't go much into that because I won't be using it, but it is water resistance up to a total of 100 meters. Now with the battery, that watch is amazing. It lasts up to 36 hours on a single charge, and with a new low power setting, battery life can last up to 60 hours. At the end, all Series 8 features like the temperature sensor are included with the S8 chip. It's honestly so crazy to have this on my wrist. It's like a really amazing gadget, and I almost don't believe it's an Apple Watch because it just looks so different and it's just so high tech. Like I will want to just wear it all the time, even though it weighs like quite a bit for me. And what did you guys think of the new Ultra watch? I know everyone wanted to see the Ultra, everyone was just so excited to see it, so I'm just super glad it came, and I have it right here to test out everything, all the features, and I will try to cover as many features as I can, even though the price is a little bit expensive, but it's, you know, it's for adventurers and mostly for the like 5% of the population, or maybe even lower, so it wasn't made for everyone. And however, you do feel pretty cool with it on, and surprisingly it's not as bulky as I thought. Like it still looks quite elegant on my wrist, and especially if I wear a nice slim watch band, so it can't be too bad for all us females out there. So do let me know your thoughts on the Apple Watch Ultra. Do you love it? Have you ordered it? That's all I want to know, is if you have made the order and are waiting, or have you already received your Apple Watch, do let me know. And if you have enjoyed this bit of a hectic unboxing, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.